Hey guys, it's Mark and Wright from Argos Dog Training. These are the structured daycare week 6 dogs. We have them on placemat. We're just gonna hang out in the room with them on placemat. We'll probably record for like 10 minutes or so, so that you guys get to see what happens when they're on placemat exactly as we're in the room with the other dogs and distractions. So yeah, we're gonna record a little bit. Johnson has come so far. I don't believe he could do this when we started with him. If he could do it with us, he could do it with anybody once they are just consistent and just let him know calmly and patiently what they expect from him. Not a big deal. Cora is our young dog. All these guys. 1, 2. Oh no. Place. Good.
No, you.
Everybody except for buddy. Place. Except for Gansett, who's a pretty young dog in this group. Good. Good job. No.
Place. Good boy. No. Place.
Good. So even when we say no, we want to say it with like a nice round tone at the front of it. We don't want our voice to be like we're excited. The dogs are safe. This should be boring. We should be bored when we're training a lot of the time, especially when we're trying to get the dogs to be calm. So when we say no, I would want no. Nice. Good. I'd want it to be like real quiet here. Here comes Memphis moving in like a shark. Just move them right back out. You're not training, Memphis, not right now. No, Gansett. No, place. Memphis, no. Memphis is alerted because of the food. That's why we don't like to have food on the floor.
No.
Memphis, let's move it.
No, Yumi.
She's like, you keep coming to me, I'll come over to you.
Good.
This way. This way.
No.
Good boy, Gansett.
Good.
No. Place.
And Gansett is on the run, a fugitive from the law.
No, place. Good.
Good boy. That's better. Memphis, no. So Memphis is learning the reverse of place right now. He's learning how to stay out of the place. No. No. Good. Good girl, Cora. This is a hard test for Memphis over there. That's the kind of training that dogs get here in the regular daycare that they don't get if they don't come. That's also training. Memphis is not here for structured daycare.
No,
training.
Memphis.
No. Close, buddy. Good. Memphis is not here for structured daycare training, but he's still getting training. So that's a valuable thing, even with what's going on. Memphis, I'm gonna ease up on the food now because the sharks are all coming in. So what do I like? I like how Scout looks. Memphis, no. Can't be in the circle. Good. Good boy. I like how Scout was looking. Memphis, no. This is dog training. This is what it is. Same thing we do with Gansett is the same thing we do here. Nope. Good. Scout, no. Place. Memphis, no. Good. Thank you. Good boy. I'm starting to like how Cora looks. She looks real calm. Snafu is chill. I like his face. If you get a chance to come across and look at his face, he looks real calm.
distinguished.
Right.
Meantime, lunch.
Oh yeah, Jonathan is eating lunch.
I think I got you in the background already too.
Yeah, it's good.
Eating lunch, also known as slacking off.
No table feeding around here.
None of that.
It's being very difficult, my young friend.
He's making you un poco loco.
Good. It's supposed to be about these guys. Well, the rest of the room looks pretty quiet. Oh man, there's snow. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Memphis. Let's go. Let's go. That's good, boy. That's good. Scout, no. Can you take Scout? Memphis, no.
No place.
Memphis. So Memphis is getting a bit fresh here. So I'm gonna have him do placemat too. I'm gonna have him go onto that little mat in the back. Oh, Scout.
No scout. No core. Please. No. No. Please. Good girl. Hey. No.
Memphis, please. Good. Good boy. No food for you. So, tonight is the structured daycare group class training night. We don't want these dogs to be overly tired. We're gonna just have them stay pretty much on place and reinforce them for about the next hour. How long have we been going for?
7:35.
7:35. Let's go for another couple minutes here. Hey, my friend, what are you doing?
He's throwing a tantrum.
What are you doing? What is this about?
Hi, Big Kobe.
Oh boy. Good. That's better.
My friend Kobe came to say hello to me.
No.
Oh, he wanted to get adrenalized and run off the mat,
Boy.
but he controlled himself. Impulse control. That's it in real life. He's still trying hard.
No. Place. Good boy.
He's still trying really hard. He wants to go and get off. Good girl, Dora. Good job, Snafu. Nice scout. Good girl. He gets it. I like when I hear that noise that he just made. He sprang up right after because I started yapping. But that noise he just made it could be a sound of resignation, recognizing that that's just what's going to happen. Kobe's on his feet. What's up, Kobe? Go ahead and put Kobe on camera. What's up, Kobe?
Hey, big guy. Getting the steps in.
Look at Roscoe. Roscoe wasn't told to do anything. He just chose his spot. None of these guys were except for Memphis and V's spot. Luke, can you take out the phone, please? Yeah, Rico's doing good. So, I think Jonathan might be just about done with his lunch. I have my two dogs. I have Luke, as you just heard. He's going to be taking them out. As he's taking them out, Gansett is going to have a super hard time, and probably the other dogs too, as soon as they hit that gate over there. Stay on place. No? Good. snafu. Oh, we have our hands full. Luke will probably wait at that door. No, please. Until we have everybody. No, please. Good. Until we have everybody back on the mats. Good. Good dog. So you can see how alert they got just because of that. No, place. Good. Nope. Good. How are we doing on time?
11:25.
11:25. All right, we're gonna cut it short. We're gonna cut it here, just because we don't want you to watch hours and hours of video. I think you got the main point of what we're trying to say here and about how we're conditioning the dogs. Once you get to around this point, you should be able to do something else like watch TV, maybe even email, and still keep your dog on their placemats. You want to work this into make it a part of their life. When I'm cooking breakfast, you're doing placemat. When I'm eating dinner, you're doing placemat. Just work it into like everyday things to the best of your abilities. You will see, if you continue to do that, changes that continue in your dog's life. All right, enjoy your dog, enjoy your day.